our governor. Now, for the first time, we are having this facility here. We only have 2 in the whole country, plus this one, the third. We are very lucky. Can we clap for ourselves? Now, I imagine I've just been going around in the lab, and sometimes when the same exercise was done, it was so tedious. For example, for people to move from Nakuru County to go to Nairobi for a test, food test, for the cereals, for milk, and all other things. And it is actually very tedious. It requires a lot of patience. And I was surprised, even to test one, it took us almost how many minutes? Almost 30. So you could imagine the people who want to lining up in Nairobi, then we can be blaming those people working in the lab that they are not doing the work, but actually it involves a lot of time. And we really need to thank God. We need to thank our governor for bringing this facility here. She's actually, I normally say our governor knows how to make friends and partners, and that is why we have got this facility here. And more things are going to come up. More things are going to come up. What I'm calling for is only that let us give her moral support. Let us pray for her so that she can continue bringing more investment to our county. Otherwise, we are very grateful for those people who made this day a success. I want to salute you. I want to thank you through our Waziri for Health. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really admire your organization skills. Such a thing is not very easy to organize and to bring such people to come here together. So please allow me. Also, our lab is not going to serve Nakuru County alone. It is also going to serve the neighboring counties. So we are a blessing. We are a blessing. You know, when you serve another person, you extend your hand to another people, you are receiving more blessings. If you open your hands, you are telling God to bless you. But ukifunga mkono yako, then there is nowhere the blessings is going to flow. But when we lend to other people, we are actually receiving blessings from God. So allow me now to read Her Excellency speech so that I can rush somewhere. I wish I was having more time so that we can talk and hear more from you. Now, so this is a speech from Her Excellency because she was supposed to be here. It is my great pleasure to join you today during this important occasion of launching a public health food laboratory, the first of its kind in Nakuru. Situpigie makofi tafadhali. The first of its kind in Nakuru. We really thank God for that. I consider this occasion as a milestone because it dovetails very well with my government's agenda on food safety, one of the listed items in the County Integrated Development Plan 2023-2027. Let me take this early opportunity to most sincerely appreciate the role played by Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, the Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition, the Micro Enterprises Support Program Trust, the Kenya Association of Manufacturers and Food Outlets in Nakuru City for the role they played towards the establishment of this laboratory. We are humbled by your support, and we assure you that we do not take this gesture for granted. Without a doubt, we have done well as Nakuru County in most health indicators on account of the investment we have undertaken in promoting health care. This milestone takes us to the next step of addressing critical issues of food safety, namely contamination, water safety, and milk quality. Food safety is a fundamental component of public health, and the government recognizes the urgent need to address foodborne risks that can have severe health and economic consequences. We are venturing into the public space of finding preventive solutions to foodborne illness and infections by establishing, equipping, and operationalize, I know you know where I come from. Operationalizing the county public health food laboratory. Indeed, we are solving the hitherto problem of delay in getting water and food analysis results from the National Public Health Food Laboratory. By commissioning this state-of-the-art laboratory, the county government of Nakuru is demonstrating its commitment to ensuring the safety and quality of food supplies within the county. This laboratory's main objectives are to monitor and guarantee food safety, detect food unfit for human consumption, and ensure that the food consumed by residents is nutritious and properly labeled. This laboratory will greatly complement the county government's efforts in protecting public health and enhancing consumer confidence in the food they consume. I can now confidently aver that from now henceforth, county public health officers now have the facility to help them monitor the critical points through which possible food contamination can occur along the food supply chain. The Public Health Food Laboratory, which we have gathered here to launch, will in particular address the following: food contamination, with the capability to test for aflatoxin in cereals and flours, mycotoxins in milk, and antimicrobial residues. The laboratory will play a vital role in identifying and addressing food contaminants that pose serious health risks. Milk quality. The laboratory is equipped with milk lactose testing equipment to detect alteration and measure butterfat content, ensuring the integrity and nutritional value of milk products available to consumers. Water safety. The potable water laboratory can analyze over 100 parameters, including chemicals, bacteria, and heavy metals, thereby ensuring the safety and quality of water consumed by residents. In line with my food safety agenda, we can now effectively collect food-related data locally, which can be relied on by other counties and the national government to establish a countrywide database on food safety and quality. In fact, we are now primed to witness increased production and consumption of safer and quality foods, which will lead to increased competitiveness of food products from Nakuru County across the country. By launching this laboratory, we have provided the residents and stakeholders of Nakuru County with: one, consumer protection. The laboratory will ensure that the food and water consumed by residents are safe, thereby protecting them from foodborne illnesses and potential health hazards. Improved food quality. Regular monitoring and testing will lead to higher standards of food quality, enhancing the nutritional value of food products in the market. Economic benefits. By ensuring food safety, the laboratory will boost consumer confidence, leading to increased market access and economic prosperity for local food producers and vendors. Public health enhancement. With the ability to promptly detect and respond to food safety issues, the laboratory will contribute to the overall improvement of public health within the county. Regulatory compliance. The facility will aid in enforcing food safety regulations, ensuring that all food products meet the required standards and are properly labeled. In conclusion, I want to assure the residents of Nakuru County that as we take measures to increase food production, and we are all witnessing increasing yields from our food crops, we have the duty to ensure food safety. And we can only do so by tapping science and technology to help us guarantee consumers that food produced in Nakuru is safe. I now declare the Nakuru County Public Food Laboratory open. Thank you, Her Excellency Susan Kihika, EGH, Governor, Nakuru County. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I still want to reiterate that this is a very important facility, as we need to take care of our health so that we can be able to do other activities. I also want to congratulate and thank the students for turning up for this particular occasion. Now, I know you are now going to be the ambassadors. You are going to spread the gospel to other students and pupils in your schools and the neighboring schools, and even our parents, so that they know the importance of food safety in our county and in our country. Thank you very much. May God bless you abundantly.